Hi, in this video I will show how to use CSV to VCF converting app. CSV is comma separation value as a data file where data is separated with commas and it's stored, it's like text like file. And VCF is format, it's kind of like electronic business card. It's like business card file. It stores information about person, contact information, phone, address, website, everything. And so this app will convert from CSV file to VCF file to one or many VCF file. This is my website. I will leave link on this site into description. To find app, I will type CSV to VCF, and I need this one. I will click on it and click on download button to start downloading. This will download archive with app from Google Cloud. And I will click on downloaded archive to open it. Double click on the desired archive to start installation. Click on more info. Now I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown, or just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next, install. Click on yes and click on finish here. And you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, minimize this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In the first step I have to select CSV file I want to convert. So I will click here to select CSV file, and I will find my file, which is like my contacts. I can just type here like contact. My contact CSV. This is the file. I will click open it. Now we can go and see what is inside of CSV file. I can double click on it because I have a CSV viewer. It's another app that just show what is inside of CSV file, or I can open it with Notepad, and you can see that it's like kind of text format, but first is a row contains information about column names, and then all other is like data about contact data. So we have this CSV opened. I can click, then select and type my contacts CSV, and click on open, and click on next step. Now on this step I have to specify, do I want to want like one VCF file? One VCF file, it's usually when if you want all contact information for entire organization. You can store it in one VCF file, send it by email, and when person like get like on any system like Android, Mac or Windows, when person gets this, you can automatically add like entire organization to your address book into Outlook or like onto your phone. If you want to have specific VCF file per person, you can select many files. Let's select one file so we'll have everybody in one file and we can use. Next I have to map files from my CSV columns from my CSV to VCF columns. So for example, first name, it will be, here is on left side all VCF columns. On right side I have to pick columns from my CSV file. So first name is first name in my CSV file. You may have a CSV file with different columns, but you have to do this matching to tell which information from which columns should I use to create this VCF file. The last name is last name, organization. If some information missing, you can leave it empty. It's okay to leave it empty. Job title. See, I don't have job title. It's probably title. Phone is preferred phone. Mobile. I can put mobile also as profile as phone. Yeah, this one. Email could be in emails, right? Email, then homepage, probably URL, street address will be domestic street, zip, domestic postal code, yep. City is probably region, right? So there is no like, okay, and country, yeah. So basically that's it. You may have a different columns, but you can map VCF to CSV and click on next step. And on next step I'll just click on run, and let's name it array by CSV and just save it. And you can see it has been saved. And now I can open it with, I have another app which is VCF viewer, and I can open it too. Let's see if I have it installed. But also I can open with the people from Windows, so Windows understands this file and can, let's see if I have VCF viewer. No. It's okay. I can open it with people from, it's like standard Windows stuff, and you can see I have one contact for that. How can I go to another one? See more? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's just showing first one for some reason, but I'm sure there are like, let's see, Windows contact. Yeah. So if I close, it will open another one, cancel another one, and it will show me all people from this VCF file. And I also have a VCF viewer app. I will leave a link on this app. It just show everything into like nice grid with all information. VCF file. So yeah, basically that's it. We have VCF file with all information, and we converted it from our CSV file. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you.